Hello. Every brand has a story to tell, but it's how you tell it that counts. Packhelp Studio gives you all the tools you need to easily tell your brand's story however you want, right down to the last letter. But how does that work with packaging? Well, here's how. You can start from scratch or pick one of our hundreds of text templates that have been designed for packaging. Maybe a witty line, something seasonal, something social, or just tell it how it is. Whatever you choose, it's all customizable. Change the font size, add color, adjust the letter spacing, and the line height if you want. Maybe some effects. Try a shadow. Or play with the stroke thickness and color. Actually, maybe not. Add a shape as a base, or a color of your choice. Mix your text with logos and other elements, and move it with pinpoint precision. Bring back, bring forwards, use different texts on different sides. Make some last-minute tweaks, and tweak some more, until you come up with just the right story that you want to tell.